Welcome to episode 1 of the chicken coop build. Today we're building the foundation for a coop. This build is inspired by Carolina Coops and Homestead Engineering. Go check them out if you haven't already. They do amazing work and they're located here on YouTube. At this point we are trying to find where the foundation will be level and how much we'll need to dig the foundation down. We found one side needed to change around 4.5 inches and the other side was about 3.5 inches. For the base of the foundation, we are using 4x6 pressure treated lumber. With it being in contact with the ground, this will help the longevity of the coop from rotting out. For the sides, we'll rip 2 of the boards down to 12 feet long and the other 2 boards down to 6 feet long for the ends. To give extra durability to the base, we are going to notch the ends to make sure it creates a firm connection. We are taking the measurements of the halfway mark on the ends, which is 2.5 inches and 2 inches. To make this cut, we will use our miter saw and circular saw and hand saw to accomplish this cut and make sure this technique works out well. Now that everything is cut to length and notched out on the ends, we start to break the ground to get the foundation level. This is hard work that's worth it, or that's probably just my excuse of saying we do not have the power tools to make it easy on us. After digging out the border where the lumber will sit in, we use some of the dirt to find where it's going to sit level for video purposes, but off camera we picked up some crushed stone and put that underneath the wood, make sure that it's going to sit correctly and it's not going to change over time, and also to help fill some of the gaps between the wood and the dirt below. After several hours of hard work, it's finally paying off. We have the foundation set correctly where everything will be squared at 161 inches, and most importantly, it's level. And you can also see where we notched the ends and to get an idea how it's going to look if you do this yourself. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And if you built a coop before or planning on it, leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for part 2, but for now, go check out this video that you'll like.